Hello everyone, it's Peter, your personal face exercise coach from Facerobics. Today I've got some super exciting news for you, so stay with me and I'll be back soon. Hello everyone, thanks so much for coming by today. I really do appreciate it. Today I wanted to share with you what came into the mail on Friday. Are you ready? Look. Isn't that the most amazing thing? This is my silver play button from YouTube for passing 100,000 subscribers. And this is what YouTube give you when you pass 100,000 subscribers. And I am just overwhelmed. Now, when I opened it up, I did, first of all, I wanted to open it up and do it in a video so you could sort of do it with me. But I had to open up and have a look at it, and I just got so overwhelmed looking at it because it represents so much. I mean, there is so much work loaded behind this award from YouTube. And I mean, YouTube is not an easy platform to work with. And you know, like there's a lot of things that go on, and to be able to get through to 100,000 subscribers is incredible. So I also wanted to thank each and every one of you, because if it wasn't for you, I would not have the channel. And I wanted to thank you for subscribing to my channel, because you guys are what has made Facerobics. You are who drive me to do this. I don't do this because, you know, like it's just me. I mean, I'm doing it because you're driving me to do it. And I want to thank you so much for that, because when I created the channel's been going for about 6 years. I had no idea that it was going to turn into Facerobics. Now, for the first 2 years of this channel, I didn't do anything on it. I had about 2 videos, didn't do anything. And by 2014, around September, I still only had 700 subscribers, and that was after 2 years. Now 4 years later, I've over 100,000 subscribers. I'm heading towards 110 at the moment. So I'm so excited about it and the growth that I've had because of you. So thank you so much. You know, I'm just going to keep this in my office so I can look at it all the time and let it remind me of what I've been doing. Now I'm going to read the letter that came with it from Susan Wozniak. Susan Wozniak is the CEO of YouTube, and she's written a letter also, and I'm going to read this to you, and because I want to share it with you, so let me do this. Okay, so it says, you have just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You have had an astounding and astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers can get really big on YouTube, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind this 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you've created. They were inspired, challenged, and entertained. And I hope too that that is exactly what's happened for you. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humour too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. And we'd like to recognise you and all the hard work that you have done with this Silver Create Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you've found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Susan Wozniak, CEO, YouTube. Now that is such a beautiful letter that came with it. And I have to say that when I read 1 million subscribers are not that far off, you know what, I went to the statistics to find out how far away I was from 1 million subscribers, and I'm actually only about 3.5 years away from it. And if I keep going the way that I'm going, I will be doing I'll be doing another video with a gold creator play button. So I am so excited right now with this silver one. I'm so excited, and thank you again everybody for helping me create this, because as I've said, I can't do it without you. And I want to thank you for all your support, all your caring, all your love, everything that you people have given me. I've met some very beautiful people through YouTube, and the people who I have met are lifelong friends. And this is the great thing about YouTube, the really good side of it, is that it does create community. So thank you again, everybody. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. I'm going to cherish it, and please do celebrate with me. And you have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye.